Step into the enchanting world of May's village, where the nightingale's song and May's authentic melody intertwine to create a symphony that transcends the ordinary. Join us on a journey through courage, dreams, and the transformative power of authenticity. In the next few minutes, discover how May, inspired by the nightingale, overcame her doubts to share her authentic song, creating a harmonious duet that echoed through the hearts of her village. Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and serene meadows, there lived a young woman named May. May had a heart as pure as the crystal-clear streams that flowed through the village, and her soul was touched by a love for nature's melodies. Her days were filled with the enchanting symphony of birdsong, but it was the nightingale's song that captured her heart. May's village was known for its vibrant flora and fauna, and every evening as the sun dipped below the horizon, the nightingale perched on a blossoming cherry tree outside May's window. Its melodic notes danced in the air, weaving a tapestry of serenity and grace. The villagers cherished this nightly ritual, finding solace in the nightingale's song after a day's toil. May, however, felt a deeper connection to the nightingale's song. It seemed to speak to her soul, resonating with the dreams and aspirations that lay nestled within her heart. May was a dreamer, with visions of a life filled with purpose and beauty. One day, as the village prepared for the annual festival, May's eyes sparkled with an idea. She approached the village elders with a proposal to create a tranquil garden, a haven where the nightingale's song could be celebrated by all. The elders, recognizing May's pure intentions, granted her request. With unwavering determination, May enlisted the help of her fellow villagers. Together, they transformed a neglected patch of land into a vibrant sanctuary. Flowers of every hue blossomed, creating a kaleidoscope of colors that mirrored the diversity of the village. A small pond was crafted, its waters reflecting the moon's gentle glow. As the garden flourished, the nightingale seemed to sense the love and care that had been poured into its creation. Its melodies echoed with newfound vigor, filling the hearts of villagers with a sense of peace and unity. The nightingale's song became a symbol of the beauty that could emerge when a community worked together with a shared vision. May, however, harbored a secret wish to share her own song with the nightingale. She yearned to express the melody of her dreams, hopes, and the profound love she felt for her village. Yet, doubt lingered in her heart. May questioned the worthiness of her song compared to the nightingale's enchanting tunes. One evening, as May wandered through the garden, she noticed an elderly woman sitting alone on a bench, her eyes glistening with unshed tears. May approached her, offering a kind smile, and asked what troubled her soul. The elderly woman, named Grandma Lee, spoke of a lifetime filled with untold stories, dreams left unexplored, and the weight of unfulfilled aspirations. May listened with a compassionate heart, realizing that Grandma Lee's lament echoed the fears she herself harbored, the fear of not being good enough, of dreams left unspoken. In that moment, May decided to overcome her trepidation. She shared her dreams and fears with Grandma Lee, and to her surprise, Grandma Lee responded with a warmth that melted May's insecurities. "Child," Grandma Lee whispered, "your song, like the nightingale's, carries the melodies of life. Each note is a brushstroke on the canvas of existence, creating a masterpiece uniquely yours." Buoyed by Grandma Lee's wisdom, May gathered her courage. That night, under the moonlit sky, and the watchful eyes of her village, May sang. Her voice, like a gentle breeze, intertwined with the nightingale's song, creating a harmonious duet that resonated with the soul of the garden. As May sang, the village came alive with an energy that transcended the mundane. The garden, now bathed in the silver glow of the moon, became a sanctuary where dreams were shared and fears dissolved. The nightingale, seemingly touched by May's vulnerability, joined in, its notes weaving seamlessly with hers. The villagers, moved by the celestial duet, felt a profound connection to each other and the universe. In that moment, May realized the true power of sharing one's authentic self, the ability to inspire, uplift, and create a symphony that echoed through the hearts of others. In the days that followed, the garden thrived not only as a haven for nature's melodies but also as a testament to the courage of authenticity. May's song had become a catalyst for others to embrace their passions and dreams, fostering a community that celebrated individuality and unity. As seasons changed and years passed, May's garden continued to flourish. The nightingale, now a revered elder, still graced the cherry tree, its song a reminder of the enduring power of authenticity and the harmonies created when hearts sing together. The tale of May and the Nightingale's garden became a cherished legend in the village, a reminder that each person's song, no matter how soft or powerful, contributed to the symphony of life. May's journey taught the villagers that true beauty lay not just in the nightingale's song but in the courage to share one's unique melody with the world. And so, under the canopy of stars and the timeless embrace of the nightingale's song, the village thrived, each villager adding their notes to the ongoing masterpiece of life, a testament to the transformative power of authenticity and the universal language of the heart. Hey, amazing viewers! If you've been moved by the inspiring tale of May and the Nightingale's garden, it's time to turn that inspiration into action. Embrace your authenticity, share your unique melody with the world, and contribute your notes to the ongoing masterpiece of life. Just as May's song inspired her village, your authenticity has the power to inspire, uplift, and create connections that transcend the mundane. Consider this an invitation to share your authentic self in the comments below, to sing your song amidst the garden of life. Don't let doubt or fear hold you back, for the world awaits the beauty that only you can contribute. Your dreams, like May's, have the potential to transform not only your own life but the lives of those who resonate with the melodies of your heart. Share your dreams, embrace your vulnerabilities, and let your song resonate with the world. So, what are you waiting for? Let's turn inspiration into action.